आपको थोड़ा सा छानबीन करना होगा आपके अंदर, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड absolutely gorgeous item at such low price. Guys, H&M की सेल शुरू हो चुकी है and I thought I'll come here and share all the stuff that are worth buying. So let's begin.
Funky.
I have all my stuff ready here to recommend you guys. Episode 1 of my Black Friday H&M recommendation is already up. आप लोग उसे जरूर जाकर check कर लेना. First up, I'll go ahead and recommend you guys the twill trouser. मेरे पास इसका white, black, beige रंग का है. You can go ahead and check this out. The beige one is just for 1,049 rupees and it originally retails for 1,499 to 500 rupees, 1,500 rupees. So ये ऑलमोस्ट 1000 का आ चुका है, तो आप लोग बिल्कुल जाके इसे चेक कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज माई फर्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन, दैट इज द H&M twill trouser in the shade beige. I am seeing a lot of jeans and trousers on a sale, so ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. So this right here, the white jeans from H&M is just for 1,590 rupees. ये सेल पे आपको 1500 का मिल रहा है. So originally retails for 1,800 to 1,900 rupees, almost 2000 का ये आपको originally मिल जाएगा. बट ये सेल पे आपको पड़ रहा है 1,519 rupees, which is the best part. And H&M के jeans, like I said earlier, is of very good quality. So if you're thinking of investing and buying good quality jeans, then don't miss out this sale. Check out the jeans and the trouser because they are so good. This wide leg jeans is also on a sale for 1,200 rupees, जो कि आपको almost 2,000 से 2,500 के बीच आपको मिल जाएगा. So this right here is just for 1,239 rupees. So don't miss out on trousers and jeans, especially during this Black Friday sale. You saw me recommending a lot of basic items and basic t-shirts and tops from H&M, and oh boy, this right here, the long sleeve microfiber top is on a sale for just 359 rupees, which originally retails for 799. So इसका बहुत ही beautiful colors है. So if you are on a lookout to buy good quality full sleeve tops, अब तो थोड़ा बहुत winter आ चुका है, then go ahead and check this out. It is going to look absolutely gorgeous. I have a trouser in mind that I am going to go ahead and purchase, and this is the exact trouser. This is the white pull-on trouser and it looks so fabulous. इस तरीके का double layered वाला trousers and pants बहुत ही ज़्यादा popular हो रहे हैं. You can pair this up with any of your strappy tops or crop tops and you're gonna look absolutely gorgeous and you're gonna stay absolutely comfortable. आप sneaker पहन लो, you can just accessorize your whole outfit and it is going to look so chic and classy all at the same time. Okay, my favorite square neck top is also on a sale for just 599. इसका original price है 800 rupees, so आप इसे 599 पे आराम से ले सकते हो. So if you're looking for basic item yet want to elevate your style, these are the things that you should go for. This will look absolutely gorgeous. इस तरीके का sweater jumper बोल लो, बहुत ही popular हुआ था last year and I have the same exact one. So if you're looking out for this kind of striped jumper sweater, then this is the right time because H&M पे आपको इस तरीके का jumper बिल्कुल मिल जाएगा. And right now I see a similar jumper and इसका price after sale is just 749. The original price is almost 1,500 rupees. तो इसका आधा दाम पे आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay, if I'm talking about winter essentials and winter wear, then how can I forget vest sweater, sleeveless vest sweater? I have a very similar one and I have been wanting to get, a new one for myself, especially a black and white one. And oh boy, again, it is on a sale. H&M पे आपको इस तरीके का sweater vest मिल जाएगा, sleeveless V-neck वाला sweater vest मिल जाएगा. इसका original price है almost 799, 800 rupees. But आपको sale पे मिल रहा है for just 479 rupees. So you can go ahead and check this out. बहुत ही beautiful चीजें अच्छी खासे दाम पे आपको मिल जाएगा and you're going to save a lot of money. I always saying that H&M के hoodies वगैरह बहुत ही overpriced है, 1,500, 2,000 rupees for just one pair of hoodie, and I was like, I am never going to buy from the H&M because overpriced है. But guess what? I found a very beautiful oversized hoodie for just 800 rupees, 799. And its original price is almost 2,000 rupees and I got this for just 799. I've been crushing on brown. They look so nice on me and I love this kind of the deep tone, especially during the winter time. So I got this for just 799 rupees. आपको थोड़ा सा छानबीन करना होगा आपके अंदर, and that's how you're going to find absolutely gorgeous item at such low price. Remember the strappy top जो मैंने आपको recommend किया था first episode of my Black Friday H&M के recommendations? It is now just at 299 rupees. So you can buy them in every possible color. You can style them in every possible way with your jeans, with your skirt, with your trouser. You can pair this up with your oversized shirt and you will look absolutely gorgeous and stay comfortable. मैं आपको recommend करूँगी कि ऐसी चीजें लो जो आप almost हाफ ऑफ द ईयर पहन पाओगे. विंटर क्लोथ्स लेके आप ज्यादा टाइम नहीं पहन पाओगे क्योंकि विंटर ज्यादा रहता है नहीं. So this is what I will recommend if you are wanting to go ahead and buy some winter stuff but not so heavy. Then इस तरीके का long sleeve microfiber top आप बिल्कुल ले सकते हो. It will keep you all covered. आपको बिल्कुल ठंडी नहीं लगेगी and you will look absolutely gorgeous. Again इसका मटेरियल है माइक्रोफाइबर, तो ये सीमलेस पैटर्न एंड शेप का आता है जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. I was on a lookout for ultra high waisted jeans and guess what? Again, it's on a sale for just 1300 rupees. So I have ordered this right here. ये पर्टिकुलर जीन्स को मैंने ऑर्डर करा एंड ओ बॉय आई गॉट दिस इन सच अ नाइस प्राइस. ओरिजिनल प्राइस है इसका 2000 रुपीज बट मुझे पड़ा बस 1300 रुपीज का एंड इट्स एन अल्ट्रा हाई वेस्टेड जीन्स. सो आई रियली वांटेड अ पेयर ऑफ जीन्स दैट इज अल्ट्रा हाई वेस्टेड. दैट्स व्हेन आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस एंड इसका कलर, इसका फिट बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारा है. If you're into a lot of street style fashion, then this right here is the perfect clothing item for you guys. So this is the purpling parachute skirt. इतना प्यारा है, इतना खूबसूरत है and you are getting this for just 599. I think I'm going to go ahead and order this. I want to try out something new and I will go ahead and order this. इसका प्राइस है 1999 but oh boy you're getting this for just 600 rupees. If you're looking for short skirts, something that will make you look gorgeous but keep it very casual yet chic at the same time, go for this. You will look gorgeous. And lastly, I will recommend you guys to go ahead and check out the laundry section, especially panties and briefs. बहुत ही अच्छे दाम पे दे रहा है. You can get 3-4 briefs for just 349, 499. And I have been wanting to get the 3-pack invisible thong brief, but then it's just sold out. बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे options है. बहुत ही अच्छे दामों पे आपको 4-5 brief मिल रहा है for 349. 499. If you are wanting to go ahead and stock up on your lingerie, just go ahead and check out the lingerie section. You will find numerous and varieties of options at such a good price. Like I said earlier, इनके lingerie वाले section बहुत ही अच्छे चीजें दे रहे हैं at such affordable price. You can get 2 bras for like 799, 800 rupees. So please go ahead and check out the lingerie section. If you see them in your sizes, just grab them because they are of very good quality, especially their brief. You are getting them for such low price. 3-4 आपको पैक इकट्ठे मिल रहे हैं for 349, 499. एक चीज मैं जरूर बताना चाहूंगी कि just because सेल आया है तो does not mean कि you have to go ahead and buy it. I am recommending things that are basic and you can wear throughout the year. ऐसी चीजें मैं बिल्कुल recommend नहीं करूंगी जो कि बहुत ही ट्रेंडी हो, बहुत ही सीन हो and you can't and you won't be able to pair them with any of the other wardrobe items. So I will try to keep it very basic ताकि आप दूसरी चीजों के साथ इन्हें पेयर करके बिल्कुल एक ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट तैयार कर सकोगे. So yes, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. Please try to buy essentials and basic items that you will be able to wear throughout the year and जो आप दूसरे wardrobe essentials and items के साथ बिल्कुल पेयर करके एक आउटफिट को तैयार कर पाओगे. हमेशा अगर ट्रेंडिंग पीस लोगे, स्टेटमेंट पीस लोगे, then you won't be able to layer them or pair them with other wardrobe items. So make sure that आप mix and match करके चीजें लो ताकि आप एक दूसरे आइटम्स के साथ मिक्स एंड मैच करके बिल्कुल पहन पाओगे. रहा पर एक्सेसरीज का, इफ आई हैव टू रेकमेंड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एक्सेसरीज देन आई विल रेकमेंड द टोट बैग. टोट बैग्स के अलावा मुझे बिल्कुल कोई भी चीजें वर्थ द प्राइस और वर्थ द मनी दिखी नहीं. अगर आप बैग लेना चाह रहे हो देन टोट बैग एक्चुअली एट सच अ गुड प्राइस. 350, 340 के अंदर आपको मिल रहा है अंडर ₹400. तो आप शॉपिंग के लिए इसे यूज कर सकते हो. आप कहीं जा रहे हो एंड यू नीड टू कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, देन यू कैन कैरी दोस टोट बैग. So yeah, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, then do like this video and जरूर से सब्सक्राइब कर देना चैनल को. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and बाय बाय।